Hello students, today I am going to the chapter 4 basic geometrical idea exercise number 4.3. Here the question number 1 is given on the board that name the angles in the given figure. So here figure ABCD is given, one quadrilateral ABCD is given. Here question is asking the name of the angle. So here A, B, C and D, these are the four angles are given. So name of the first angle, so here we will write down the B. So ABC and then BCD, then CDA, then DAB. So these are the four names of the angles are written over here. Now going to the question number 2. In the question number 2, question asking that in the given figure, given diagram, name the points here. First, in the interior of the DOE. So here DOE, this angle is given DOE. Here interior point is point A. So this is interior point. Now for the B point here in the exterior of EOF. So this is EOF. And in this case, this one is exterior and this is also exterior. And this D point is also exterior. So these 3 points are exterior of EOF. This point is given O. So EOF. These points are exterior. So here we will write down A, C and D. These are the 3 points. Now third part, question is asking that on EOF. So EOF, on EOF, how many points are given? E, B, O, F. E, B, O, F. E, B, O, F. These are the points on EOF. Now going to the third question, that draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they have first part 1 point in common. So figure is drawn over here. Here AOB and BOC. These are the two angles where point O is common. So here 1 point is common. Now question is saying that 2 points in common. So here already you have to draw the same figure and you have to draw one more point here. Now O and B, O and C. These are the 2 points common. Now we have to go to the C part. Now going to the C part. Here question is saying that 3 points in common. So we have to draw one more point, that is D. So now 3 points in common. Now question is saying that 4 points in common. So we have to draw one more point E. So now there are the 4 points in common. Now in the fifth part, question is saying that one ray in common. So here already this OB ray is common. That angle AOB having this ray OB and here BOC also having this ray OB. So in this condition, this you can draw, that means simple figure you can draw here OB. This is OB, a ray is common. This is point A and this is point C. So now this is the figure for the last part of this question. So in this case, this exercise has been completed. Now I am going to the exercise number 4.4. Now dear students, I am going to the exercise 4.1 and first question is given. For the first question is saying that draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. So here I am going to draw the rough sketch of a triangle ABC. You can draw a triangle in any manner. Now question is saying that mark a point P in its interior. So we have to take any point P inside of this triangle. So point P in its interior. Now question is saying that a point Q in its exterior. So you can take anywhere outside of this triangle. So I am taking here. This is point Q. Now question is saying that is the point A in its exterior or in its interior. So point A is, this is, neither this point is interior nor in exterior. So here neither point A in its interior nor exterior. It is on triangle ABC. Okay. So now going to the question number 2. Here in the question number 2 question asking that identify the 3 triangles in the given figure. So here one figure is given like this. Here question is saying that the name is given A, B, C and D. Question is saying that identify 3 triangles in the figure. So 3 triangles. So we have to write down the first name of this triangle, second name of this triangle and third one this bigger one. So we will write down the name triangle ABD, triangle ABD. The first one triangle ADC, ADC. Second one. Now this bigger one, triangle ABC. So there are the name of the 3 triangles. This is answer of the part A. Now going to the part B. Question is saying that write the names of the 7 angles. So we have to write down the 7 angles. So I am going to draw this bigger size so that you will get this very clear. So this A, B, D and C. Here we have to write down the name of the angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and now this bigger one is the 7. So we have to write down the name. So first one DAB, angle DAB. Now go to the second one ABD, angle ABD. Now going to the third one BDA or ADB. So we can write angle ADB. Now going to the fourth one, that becomes ADC, angle ADC. Now going to the fifth one, so DAC or CAD. So we can write angle CAD. Now sixth one, ACD, ACD. Now seventh, BAC or CAB. So seventh, BAC. Now the 7 angles has been done. Now going to the C part. Here I am going to do C part. In the C part question is asking that write the names of the 6 line segments. So 6 line segments. First one is AB, the second one is BD, third one is DC, fourth one is CA and this fifth one is AD and sixth one is BC. This complete. So I am going to write down the name. First AB line segment, then BD, then DC, then CA, then AD, then we have to write down BC. These are the 6 names of the line segment. Now going to the D part. In the D part question asking that which 2 triangles have angle B as common. So as angle B is given here, so this triangle B, this having the angle B and this bigger one also having the angle B. So we have to write down the name of these 2 triangles. Triangle ABD and triangle ABC. They both having this point, that this angle as common. So now in this manner this exercise 4.4 has been completed. Thank you. Have a good day.